Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to be fitting some Powerflex rear trailing arm bushes without removing the arm and without using a press. I've already done one side, so let me show you that side first, and then I'll do the whole side with you guys so you can see how it's done. There we go. New bush all in there. So just got to do the other side now, so I'll go start to finish with you on the other side to show you how I done this side, and I find it quite an easy way of doing it, so let's crack on with the video. Just a little disclosure at the beginning of this video now is just to tell you, you do this at your own risk. This is how I've done mine and it's worked for me. It may be different for you, but it has worked for me. What can I say? What's better than one Audi TT? Two Audi TT. So first things first, we need to remove this hardline brake pipe off this flexi. Then once we've done that, it will allow us to lower this arm down. So clean this up first, bit of lube, get that off, that will pull out, and then we can get this off. So let's start by getting a bit of lube on this and cleaning this area up first. So with that bit all off, just got to try and pull this bit down. It shouldn't be too bad. See this little clip here? Got to get this one off, like that. Pull the flexi hose out, like that. And now we're ready to get all this down. Undoing these, you want to remove this connector out of here like that, then support the arm with a trolley jack, then undo the 4 bolts, one here, one here, one up here, and one on the other side, with a 16mm. Right, that is all those bolts out. So next thing to do, let's get this arm down. That's why we've got the jack here, just to support it. So let's get these bolts all out of the way. And let's start lowering. As you can see, that's what we want to get to, that one there. Right, that is an 18. Just keep on spraying a little bit of lube in the hole. Alright, so now we need to lift this off here. Like that. Like that. And then that's that bit out, but we're going to give this a clean up, get rid of all the rust, and then we're going to give it a little bit of liquor paint.
So now with the bush like that, what you want to do is you want to knock this centre bit out. Like that. And then that's the centre bit all out. So now we're just left with this. So you want to do that all around it. And that is your old bush out. So what you've got to do now is clean all this up. Just get rid of any sharp edges. So once you've got that bit all nice and cleaned up, bushes, you have a part A and a part B. Part A on the inside, part B on the outside. So we need to put some of the grease so it does say on it what they are. So that's a B, outside, inside, and then there's the lube. So put a bit of lube in there first and then start pushing the bushing. Like that. Then we get part A, this is that one. Loop around all that as well, just all around it, all around the bits that are going to be touching. And you want to put a bit in the middle as well where the pin's going. So now that's that bush ready. So through the outside, push it in just like that. And now just do the same to the other side. Alright, so now that bit's all lubed up. So we'll pop that in that side. Like that. So now that's all in. Just got to put the metal collar bit through the middle. Like that. Alright, now we're ready to put the other bit on. I have painted the other bit because it was a bit rusty, so I cleaned it all up with a drill with a wire bit. So now, and obviously I painted it with a bit of black hammerite, so it looks a lot better. So we're ready now to get that bit over the top of that. So as you can see, painted this bit all up. Looks a lot better than what it did. So we will be getting that back in. I think it goes in that way. Like that. $18mm. And torque. Now torque to 90 Newton meters. Just like that. And now we are ready to put that back up in the hole, hence why we've got the jack here. So it's all in there now. Once you've got those all in, it's time to torque them to 75 Newton meters. Right, so let's set the torque wrench up. Right, they're all torqued up to 75 Newton meters now. So as you can see, bush is all in. So you just got to connect up the hard pipe back to that, and that's it. That is how you fit poly bushes the easy way with no press.